Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about double-digit multiplication, and we're going to use the traditional algorithm. So this is the, by traditional, I mean the one that's been used for a long time. So this is the algorithm that I learned when I was a kid, and chances are your parents learned it as well, and maybe their parents before that. Anyway, the way that I talk about the traditional algorithm is that the phrase multiplication makes me mad. And the reason I use that is because the M is for multiply, and the add at the end is to add. So as we're doing this, we're going to multiply first, and then we're going to add up our stuff at the end, okay? And that's how we're going to get our answer. So at the end of it, you'll hear me say multiplication makes me mad, and that'll remind us to add. Okay, so our first problem, we have 25 times 28. So we're going to take this 8, and we are going to multiply that number times each of the numbers up on top. So we'll do 8 times 5 and then 8 times 2, okay? So 8 times 5 is 40. So we're going to put a 0 here, and we're going to bring our 4 up here. So 8 times 2, so this is actually a 20, right? Because it's in the tens place. So 8 times 2 is 16, plus 4 would be 20. Now, here is where I call this a magic 0. So I make a smiley face right here. Wink. And the reason I do that is we are going to multiply everything on the top by this 2. But it's not really a 2. It's really a 20. And the number 20 has 1 0 in it. So we're actually going to make sure that, because this is really 20 times 5 and 20 times 20. So this 2 is not just a 2, it's actually a 20, which is why we add 1 0 there, so that we are making sure that our place values line up. Now, I will give you one other tip to cross out your regroupings after you use them so you don't accidentally use them twice. So now we have 2 times 5, which is 10, so 0, and bring our 1 up here. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, right? And then we're going to add this up. Multiplication makes me mad. And now our answer would be 0, 0, and 7. So 700. Okay? So that is our answer to our... All right, let's try the next one. So we're going to do 2 times everything on the top. So I'm going to make this 2 blue so we remember what we're doing here. 2 times 6 would be 12. Bring our 1 up here. 2 times 7 would be 14, plus 1 is 15. I'm going to cross out that regrouping so I don't forget that I've already used it. We're going to now multiply everything on the top by this 9. So this 9 is not just a 9, it's a 90. So we're going to put our magic 0 here for the 0 in the 90. 9 times 6 is 54. 4. Bring our 5 up there. 9 times 7 is 63, plus 5 is 68. And then multiplication makes us mad. So we're going to add this up. 2, 9, 9, 6. So our answer is 6,992. Okay, next we have 31 times 83. So we're going to do 3 times everything on the top. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. This next problem here, we have our 8, or next part of the problem, not next problem. This 8 is actually an 80, right? So we're going to put our 0 there. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Multiplication makes us mad, so we're going to add this up. 3, 9 plus 8 is 17, 4, 5, and 2, 2,573. All right, let's try another one. So this next problem, we're going to multiply the 4 times everything on the top. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. There we go. Cross off that 2 because we've already used it. Now we're going to take the 3 times everything on the top. 3 times, oh, you know what we forgot? Our magic 0, because that 3 is not just a 3, it's a 30. 3 times 6 is 18. Bring our 1 up here. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And multiplication makes us mad. So we're going to add this up. 4, 16, 3, 4, 5, and 1. 1,560. All right, let's try one more. So we're going to start off with our 5. So 5 times everything on the top. 5 times 7 is 35. Bring our 3 up here. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. We're going to next multiply our 4 times everything on the top. 4 is really a 40, so we're going to go magic 0. 4 times 7 is, oh, I forgot to cross out my regrouping. 4 times 7 is 28. Bring my 2 up here. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Multiplication makes us mad. So 5, 11, 2, and 1. Okay, everybody, that is the traditional algorithm method of solving double-digit multiplication. Thanks a lot, guys.